Hello बच्चों, today we are going to learn the poem मेरी अम्मा. मेरी अम्मा, my mother. Who's your favorite person at home? Your mother, right? Though you like your father, your sibling, everyone, whenever you have a problem or if you want to ask for something, the first person whom you reach up to is your mother. So let's learn a poem about mother. मेरी अम्मा सबसे अच्छी. What does it mean? My mother is the best. हम सबको करती है प्यार. She loves us all. मस्त रहे वह सदा काम में, खुश रखती सारा परिवार. She's busy with her work and keeps the family very happy. Parivar means family. Let's repeat the first paragraph. मेरी अम्मा सबसे अच्छी, हम सबको करती है प्यार, मस्त रहे वह सदा काम में, खुश रखती सारा परिवार. नेक्स्ट, बड़े सवेरे उठ जाती है. So she wakes up early in the morning to prepare your breakfast, right? And निपटाती सब घर का काम. And she completes all the household works. खाना पीना कपड़े लत्ते, कभी ना ले थकने का नाम. So she prepares food, खाना पीना सब बना के, and she does all the household works, and she never says that she's tired and she cannot do it, right? कभी न लेती तकने का नाम. She says she'll never say that I'm tired, no, I cannot do it and all. पूजा करती, let's repeat the second paragraph again. बड़े सवेरे उठ जाती है, निपटाती सब घर के काम, खाना पीना कपड़े लत्ते, कभी न ले तकने का नाम. पूजा करती, she does the prayer, and हमें जगाती, she wakes you up. सो जाए हम बार बार. Whenever your mom wakes you up, you will say, "Ma, please, ma, 2 more minutes, 5 minutes," and you'll get up and sleep in some other place. You'll go lie down again in a sofa for some time, and then only you get ready, right? So पूजा करके हमें जगाती, सो जाए हम बार बार. Again and again you'll say, 5 minutes, ma, please, ma, and you'll sleep again. हम सब हंसते, कैसी अम्मा, याद न रहे क्यों इन्हें इतवार. So याद न रहे means she never remembers that it's itvar. Even on a Sunday, sometimes she'll wake you up saying, "Come on, get ready to school, you'll be late." So she does so much of work, she doesn't even know which day it is, right? Let's repeat the third paragraph. पूजा करती हमें जगाती, सो जाते हम बार बार, हम सब हंसते, कैसी अम्मा, याद न रहे क्यों इन्हें इतवार. माँ क्या जाने छुट्टी क्या है. Does your mother get a holiday? Even on Sunday, she has works to do. See, now also during quarantine time, is she getting any rest? She has to prepare your food and do all the household works. So you have to help your mother at work. See, she does so many things for you. Now you have also come to 3rd grade. You should also help her at work. Like small works you can start doing. ऐसे छोटे मोटे काम, पानी भरना, you can fill the bottles, clean your plates. Okay? माँ क्या जाने छुट्टी क्या है, क्यों बाता हमको इतवार. सूरज जैसी मेरी अम्मा, काम करे वार वह सातों वार. See, for her there is no Saturday, Sunday, holiday. All the 7 days in the week, like how a sun shines all the 7 days in a week, your mother also works all the 7 days in a week. Chutti means there is no holiday at all for her. माँ क्या जाने छुट्टी क्या है. See, even now, for the past 2.5 months in quarantine time also, she has a lot of work to do. Next, shall we repeat this paragraph again? माँ क्या जाने छुट्टी क्या है, क्यों बाता हमको इतवार, सूरज जैसी मेरी अम्मा काम करे वह सातों वार. Now the last paragraph. जोली भर भर प्यार बांटती, जी भर करती लाड़ दुलार. She gives you a lot of love and she pampers you, right? नन्हे मन को खूब समझती. Like when you just call your mom and say ma, and she immediately knows whether you're calling her for food or for some other help. She easily understands you. नन्हे मन को खूब समझती माँ प्रभु का सुंदर उपहार. Sundar means beautiful. Upahar means gift. So who has given this beautiful gift to you? The God has given you this beautiful gift. So let's repeat the whole poem again. मेरी अम्मा सबसे अच्छी, हम सबको करती है प्यार. मस्त रहे वह सदा काम में, खुश रखती सारा परिवार. बड़े सवेरे उठ जाती है, निपटाती सब घर का काम. खाना पीना कपड़े लत्ते, कभी न लेती थकने का नाम. पूजा करती हमें जगाती, सो जाए हम बार बार. हम सब हंसते कैसी अम्मा, याद न रहे क्यों इन्हें इतवार. माँ क्या जाने छुट्टी क्या है, क्यों बात हमें इतवार. सूरज जैसी मेरी अम्मा काम करे वह सातों वार. जोली भर पर प्यार बांटती, जी भर करती लाड़ दुलार. नन्हे मन को खूब समझती माँ प्रभु का सुंदर उपहार. So see, she's such a beautiful gift to you. Like, why don't you do an activity for this poem? Try to memorize this poem, make a lovely card for your mother and gift it to her this Saturday, and say this poem for her. Dedicate this to her. Okay, have a nice day. Bye, kids.